Okay, so welcome to the Babydot Power TV show. Today we're going to be learning more animal names and sounds that they make. Are you ready? Let's begin. The dog. Woof, woof. The dog is a friendly animal that says woof, woof. Dogs are great pets and love to play. The cat. Meow. The cat is soft and gentle. Cats say meow. They love to nap and purr when they're happy. The cow. Mrrr. The cow gives milk. Cows say mrrr. You can find cows on farms grazing in green fields. The sheep. The sheep are fluffy and white. Sheep say bah. They love to stay in groups called flocks. The duck. Quack, quack. The duck loves water and says quack, quack. Ducks have webbed feet and can swim really well. The horse. Neigh. The horse is strong and fast. Horses say neigh. They can carry people and run in wild, open fields. The lion. Roar. The lion is the king of the jungle. Lions say roar, and they live in groups called prides. The elephant. Trumpet. The elephant is big and gentle. Elephants make a trumpeting sound and have long trunks. The frog. Ribbit. The frog is small and green. Frogs say ribbit. They can jump high and love water. The owl. Hoot. The owl comes out at night. Owls say hoot, hoot. They can turn their heads all the way around. Practice time. Can you make the sounds? Say woof like a dog or mrrr. Moo like a cow. See how many animals you can name and sound like. You did it! Great job learning animal names and sounds. Keep practicing and have fun spotting animals everywhere you go. The end. Thank you guys so much for joining us. We thank you for your support, and click that subscribe button and order a Babydot Power TV shirt. Thank you.